Good morning, I'm Chris Beecham, and these are your morning market headlines for Thursday the 13th of September, with the FTSE having opened just a few minutes ago around 57.80. Now it is Fed decision day today, the last major event of the last couple of weeks that have kept markets in suspense, and there still are broad expectations that there will be some sort of easing program from the Fed, despite the somewhat mixed reaction to their last two efforts. You would possibly see a decision to begin buying up mortgage-backed securities as they did in early 2009 to help stimulate the US housing market. What we are likely to see is an extension to the period of ultra-low interest rates as the Fed seeks to stimulate the US economy via those low rates. And we also have some M&A activity livening up the market this morning. News broke last night that BAE and EADS, the two large European defence combines, were looking at a tie-up. Both companies have suffered as European and British defence spending is contracted in the aftermath of the financial crisis. And one of the aims would be to create a defence giant comparable to that of Boeing, which is liable to create some worries in the US. However, the general reaction from investors so far has not been exactly positive, with BAE down 4% and EADS down 8% so far in early morning trading. We have yet more expectation-beating results from Next. The strong run higher continues, sales up, led by the online division once again, and there's also been an increase in the dividend. However, there's been some nervousness in the stock this morning, down around 6% after their recent run higher for the year. On the economic calendar, we have Italian short-term bond auction at 10 o'clock and then US economic data for 1:30 with US jobless claims and PPI. The Fed meeting decision will be announced at 5:30 p.m. with the press conference at 7:15 p.m. And we expect the S&P 500 to start around 2.5 points lower at 1437.